Tired of forgetting to follow up with leads at the perfect moment? Let's jump right into scheduling text messages in Follow Up Boss, a surefire way to boost your engagement and response rates. First, navigate to the People section in your Follow Up Boss account and select the contact you want to schedule a text for. Once you're on their profile, look for the text message icon, usually located near their phone number. Click on it to open the text messaging window. Now, instead of typing and sending immediately, look for the clock icon or the schedule option within the text message input box. Click on this to open the scheduling settings. Here's where the magic happens. Choose the exact date and time you want your text message to be sent. Make sure to double check your time zone to avoid any confusion. Type out your text message, remembering to personalize it for maximum impact. A personal touch can make all the difference. Review your scheduled text message details: the contact's name, the content of the message, and the scheduled date and time. If everything looks good, confirm and save. You can view all your scheduled text messages within the Follow Up Boss calendar. This helps you keep track of your communication and ensures no lead is left behind. That's it. Now you're armed with the knowledge to automate your text message follow-ups in Follow Up Boss. Remember to like and subscribe for more Follow Up Boss tips.